As you can see, you can also see all these tiny little lines. Now these are what you're going to line your seams up with and your stitches up with to get that accuracy I was talking about earlier. So to install it, all you need to do is take off the foot you have on, take this one, place it underneath the shank, and snap it on. Now you're ready to sew. So the stitch guide foot, as is in its name, is to help you with your, mainly with your top stitching. It's incredibly accurate because all these little dashes are millimeters apart. So, if your design calls for some stitches that are only, millimeters apart, this is the foot that you want to use. So I already did one line, and I'm just going to say I want it a millimeter away from the other one. I have my needle in the center position, and I can just use that line to gauge the measurement. So this makes for some really great top stitching, edge stitching, details, and really tailored clothing. It's important to have this foot. So as you can see right here, see how closely those line up together. It looks really nice. So what's cool about this is you can also use a twin needle, especially if you're going to be doing a lot of line work. You can just put in the twin needle. So your lines are about, a millimeter apart. And you can do them again at about a millimeter apart. Let's see, right there. And so again, you can do it even a little bit further apart. The point is with this is that you do get a lot of precision, and the lines line up very well. It makes nice parallel lines. Let's snip these threads so you can see. And that's important when you're doing, line designs, to keep everything